Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix confirm iPhone passcode verification failed. If you're using any iPhone and you're having a message in your settings here that you have to confirm your iPhone passcode, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first, you just have to make sure that you have a strongest network connection or your network connection is working properly. So after checking that, you have to confirm your iPhone passcode by tapping on the message here, and then your iPhone passcode will be confirmed. You have to enter your passcode and your iPhone passcode will be confirmed, and you will not get the issue again. Or if you're having any issue in this way, so you have a simple method. You just have to reset all of your settings. So it might be that is the issue and with your network settings or with your phone settings. So you just have to open your general section here. Very first you have to try to update your software. So after updating your software, you just have to select the option of transfer reset iPhone. Select reset. Select reset all settings, and then you have to verify yourself using your face ID or passcode, and after that you can easily reset all of your phone settings, and after resetting your settings your issue will be fixed. So in this way you can easily fix your issue that your iPhone passcode verification failed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.